This is an unboxing of DEWALT's new drill and driver set. It is the DCK850 1D2. What that means is that it's the DCD800 drill, which is not the hammer drill. It's just a regular XR model, brushless, and the 1/4-inch compact atomic drill driver, DCF850. Comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries and a charger. It's a nice bag. There's the charger right on top, DCB115. You can charge both their 12 volt and 20 volt cordless batteries. Manual. There's one 2-amp-hour 20 volt battery and the other 2-amp-hour 20 volt battery. Here we have the drill. DCD800. Again, that's not the hammer drill, just a regular model. That's the 1/4-inch impact. DCF850. This is their atomic 1/4-inch impact driver. Some belt clips. Yeah, so that's the drill and 1/4-inch impact combo.